Is this it? I think we're good. I think we're on. Excellent connection between me and my followers. That's what that means. All of my likes, all of my followers. I was starting to get tired, so you know what that means. Time to stream. Time to stream live. I wonder if I can pull it up on my phone as I'm live, so I actually can keep an eye on it. Is that possible? My allergies are they're so bad right now. Welcome. What do I do? Jesus, my face is just bleeding allergy blood. Come on. Legitimately don't know what I'm doing. Switch accounts? Switch accounts? Switch accounts? Well, we're not into it yet, but when we get there, we'll see. The last 24 hours are much, much more exciting than yesterday. Yesterday was so stupid. Today was at least pretty fun. Plenty to say. Okay, just try to sign in. Oh, one person watched for 9 seconds. Hell yeah. You know what that means? That's money in the bank, baby. Man, my fucking allergies. Am I allowed to curse on here? Man, my flopping allergies. So where are we at? Seems like I'm live. Let's see what this says. So where are we at? Wow. Seems like I'm live. Let's see what this says. No, so what should I do? Mute this? Alright. So now I can keep an eye on it on my phone. See, buddy? Inception. Let's incept. Let's inceive. Alright. Let's get into it. So where are we at? The day just started. Got a new little can dough, which is nice, getting cute, and not much has changed. Probably not going to do this for too long. I did want to go over some altcoins, but my flopping allergies, man. So I'm gonna go down in the 1 hour. Let's just check it out. See where we were yesterday. So yesterday we were right about here. See if I can pull this back up. Yipes. So this was the trade from 2 days ago, though if you're watching, and I know you weren't, oh yeah, I haven't updated my levels totally. So this is a daily. Wait, did that? Let me check it out. Is that a daily now? Yeah, so this is now a confirmed daily. We had the reversal, and then we got the doping up here, right? Let's check out this doping. I like to keep it doping, even though it's not technically a high turn level yet. I'll pop my doping on there. All right. So we got some updated levels. Okay. So yesterday we were what? We were here ish. And I was saying that I had flipped from bullish to bearish. I got out of this trade in profit because we rejecting from this daily, and I got out in profit. Even I was going to leave it up just in case because my original trade idea was to pop up to this line of single prints or the 61866 level or bust through and get to the other side of the single prints for a small long. But ultimately, I've been looking for lower. That's all I've been saying is I want to see lower. These are just short-term potential long setups. So I'm going to officially remove that one from the chart. This was nice, though. I said keep stop loss down here in case it wicks down to the 618, and boom, perfect. Got that exactly right. And like I said, got out of this trade in profit. Small long, easy. And then I was saying right here, I flipped bearish because of the bearish CVD divergence. A lot of people buying, price not going up. We were stuck around this point of control yesterday. Stuck. And I put in a long, which a short, which I showed on the stream yesterday. I was 1.34% in profit. And then not too long after, this is the same trade. Before I went to sleep, I was up 10%. And what I did was, and this is something I do sometimes before I go to sleep, I will just put a trailing stop loss on because, going to be asleep, can't really manage trades, and it's not that great. Sometimes you want to leave a little bit of breathing room, but ultimately profit's profit, right? So you just put a trailing stop loss on sometimes, and I do it, and I'm glad I did it. So before I went to bed, though, this was funny. I was like, yeah, I'm not going to trade it. Maybe if I was awake, I would trade it, but I put this long here. I was like, yeah, I'd like to see something like this. Maybe come down, grab some liquidity from below this previous low here, and then bounce up, back up over the daily, and then target the midpoint of this other channel, potentially busting through these single prints, and that would have been the target. But I didn't trade it. I just put it there, literally put it there, closed the laptop, went to sleep. And keep in mind, I was still in this short from here. And let's just see how it played out, because it's almost laughable. Short, winning short, winning the short, winning the short, winning the short, right? Boom, really winning the short. Hit my trailing, activated my trailing stop loss perfectly. Stopped me out. Would not have picked up this order. Didn't take this low, which surprised me a little bit. I thought it was going to boom back up onto the daily. So wouldn't have filled my order even if I had set it before I went to sleep. I like to think that if I was awake, I could have gotten into this trade. Just kind of seeing the reaction from down here. But I didn't take it. But it is funny because I got it almost perfectly right. And then we were back inside this channel for a while, pretty much the whole day. Just ranging for the rest of the day. Big move up like that, you don't expect it to keep going. You expect some consolidation, people to figure out if they want to buy or sell or whatever. But keep in mind, we're now at this big resistance line. These single prints have pretty much been filled in. I mean, it didn't technically hit up here. And I was not at the computer most of the day, but I did have my eye on TradingView a little bit on my phone, and I'm just seeing this sideways stuff. And I'm like, all right, this is kind of setting itself up for all the people that shorted this. It's just setting itself up for a liquidity grab, swing failure up here, grab that liquidity and turn back around. Hopefully, we're at big resistance. You can't put a long in here. I mean, you can, and many people did, which is what leads to what happened next. So I'm looking for shorts at this point only. It's short or no trade for me because we're at a substantial resistance, high term time frame, 618. So it's a short or it's no trade. So I'm seeing a lot of people put in longs. Price isn't really going up. So basically what I'm looking for, and there's bearish CVD divergence. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Okay, where were we? Ooh, Sometimes it does that when the day flips over. There's just a gap. There we go. So, okay. This is that previous high, and then you see lower highs progressively with higher highs on CVD. So people are buying, yet price is still going down. So it's a potential for a long squeeze setup and a big move down, which, as you can see, is exactly what happened. Although it did go up and take those highs initially, or before. So people are longing this. 1.3 million. Look, millions and millions. 7 million up at the top. Just pretty much. This is a breakout from resistance. That's what people are longing. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't do it, but I thank them because that set me up for a trigger for a short. So I got into a short. Let's see. Let's play this out. Not just play, bud. There we go. Get out of replay mode. So this is where we are now. So this was a short trigger for me. Get rid of that long. So that long technically didn't even come and hit the target. That was a good for a about to go to sleep. Just throw up a trade idea. Not bad. I like it. Very close. Very close to perfect prediction. But like when you see something like this is a trade. I mean, a short all day. Because you're looking for shorts. You're basically looking for a fake out. You're looking for that liquidity grab. So I set up this short. And my initial target is right here at this point of control. That was all the price action was around. That's a big node. Just like, and now it's also the daily. So this is going to be my first take profit. Didn't quite hit, almost. So I'm still looking, hopefully, for it to come down. The day just started 26 minutes ago. So I was kind of looking for it to put in a high, So this would be the Monday morning Tokyo open. So start of the week, I was kind of looking for some volume to come in, put in the high. So we did see a little bit of volume. Well, we didn't really. We did see a small move up, and then it turned right back around, which was what I was looking for. And I would like to see more downside because ultimately I would be looking for, back down here where I've been looking for the past couple of days. The 37, 38 region. And if you haven't, and I know you haven't been watching, but if you haven't been watching, you can go back and check out the reasons why I'm targeting that level ultimately. But I think this is an important take profit level. And hopefully it didn't front run me too much. Hopefully we do get a little bit more downside. But yeah, here's the proof. Here's the proof, guys. Oh, that's the same one as before. This is the current short that I'm in. See my entry, 43,570. Yeah. Stop loss is break even. I thought I was going to hit the target right then. And then I did something else, but it didn't hit. So, well, I can't lose. But hopefully I do start to hit some targets. We'll see what happens. So, what did I say my entry was? 43,570. Yeah. Up here. So, yeah. I got in on the change in market structure, but technically, you could have gotten in up here when these longs started to get taken out and we got back in underneath this previous high. Or if you get back in under the 6.6, any of these are, that's what I did. Those are all valid entries as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, we'll see how it plays out. So far, I would say I had this one that was profitable. This one was profitable. This one was a good idea, but not filled, not technically a trade, but a good idea. And then this one's profitable, so I'll call it a 3 for 3. It's almost a 4 for 4. so far on this channel. I will lose at some point. We all do. But I'm happy that you know, starting off strong, looking good. Maybe I'll pull up one alt. I still hold a bunch of alts from before I even knew how to read charts. And now I'm just looking for reasons to get out. So I've sold a bunch in profit. Done pretty well. Some of them I want to hang on to. Sold Algo pretty much exactly at the top of this last pump, which was nice. What was I looking at today or yesterday? I think it was one. Yeah. I don't know anything about this coin, but I think I got in around here. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Bounce exactly off that 618, just like Bitcoin loves to do. And we're getting a nice bounce. I'm hoping to see these levels up here again. This was a nice short, if anybody shorts altcoins, which you probably don't, but this is the USD pair, the Tether pair. Yeah, but I'd like to see up. I mean, I don't see why, unless something crazy happens with Bitcoin. 23 cents. What's up there? Do I have any TA on this? No. What else is there? Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Point of control, 618, right on top of each other. That's why I took the trade. It's a nice bounce. I don't want to be in this coin though, so just want to get in and out. What else do we see? Sure. Speed fan. Yep. It's all coming in kind of the same zone. Yeah, I wonder if anybody out there took it. I don't think anybody's really looking at this coin though. Harmony won. I don't know why I am, but I'd had it. And it's not bad. So far, this is, look. Check out this bounce. 56%. Not bad. Harmony won. What else was doing pretty good? Raven was kind of in the same. A lot of coins had retraced to this 618 retracement recently, if I recall. Raven was one of them. Yeah, look at it. Anchored VWAP is right there. That's not helpful. Got a high volume node coming in here, but price is currently underneath it. It's not terribly helpful. Let me see, just, yeah. It's underneath there, so maybe for a reclaim. I'd love to sell Raven. Doesn't look great though. It's bearish market structure all day. Try some other stuff, see what it looks like. Yeah. Could break out of this though. Got that 618 resistance. Yep. Pull this back from here. So this node is definitely acting as resistance, but we'll see. Let's see something like this. Little bump and run-ish. Kind of. I mean, that would bring us all the way back to 30 cents. That'd be great, right? Let's target it. Let's go for it. I just have some old Raven coin. It's old. It's smelly. Stinks. This Raven is dead. For sure. I mean, I also I got back into Solana. I bought Solana initially down here at $20. And then I sold at somewhere around here. Then I see this nice drop. I just wanted to get out. I was like, almost 10x. Why not? And then, you know, see what looks like could be a nice retracement. So you got a macro 0.5 on top of this more local 6.6 coming in exactly together. Get a nice bounce. What do we see? 30% initially, you know, still bearish structure though, so yeah, I haven't sold any of this. So I'm, you know, I bought down here at 120, I think like 125 technically. So yeah, this is the reverse fib retracement, so maybe 177 be a good region to start looking for to get out. You know, provided I am expecting some downside in Bitcoin, so yeah, hopefully this support can hold. Otherwise, I'll be looking down here to the 90, 94 region. Let me put a fib time on here. See if it gives us anything interesting. Where's that 618 coming in? Look at that. 618 speed fan coming out of the 618 fib time right on the 6.6. So that'd be interesting support if it were to get there, I think. Not saying it will, but we'd like for that to hold. I would. Let's see. This would just be a soft stop loss technically, but put it down here for now. It'll be an 8 to 1. Not bad.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Thanks everybody for watching. Today was fun and interesting. Let's go back to the bit. Just chopping at the Bitcoin. What's going on now? Raise up like Petey Pablo. Yeah, maybe we won't. Maybe just front ran that point of control. It's more like a support resistance flip. Just bounce off that and get a nice bounce. But let's see where that retracement would come in. So 618 is coming in at up here, 43,472. See what the 0.5 is looking like. Okay. Let's pull this range. Interesting. So, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this ultimately does reject. Because you'd still have those, I mean, single print's been filled in. I still have that ray there. Got the daily open. You got this point of control of the range. As decent resistance. I would expect it to make it up, you know, potentially all the way here. Got the value very high of this range. 618 coming in right around there. So I wouldn't be surprised if this gets flipped to support to see, you know, ultimately those numbers there. Drawing with the magnet tool on. Not great. But hopefully this does ultimately reject. Let's see what the order flow is looking like. Zoom in here. Okay. Nothing crazy. Tangling with that daily open. Longs opening. Open interest increasing. I mean, yeah, people are buying.
like it'll squeeze up. A lot of shorts underwater from down here. Yeah. Like I said, I've already won the trade. I'm not too worried about it. No real local divergences. Let's look on a bigger time frame again. We'll just see what happens. Got longs opening, open interest increasing, but some local resistance. And check out the order flow coming in right now. I mean, it's definitely a resistance. There is some absorption of these longs happening. Buying, buying, buying. It's not that much increase in price. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. But I have a good entry, so I am not worried about it. I mean, that's the good thing about good entries and good trade setups is, damn it, I hate when it does that. You know, doesn't really matter. I mean, I did not hit my first take profit, but I can't lose the trade. I'm far enough in that I decided to protect capital. See, there's that squeeze up I was just talking about. Come on, buddy. Shorts are closing, longs are opening. Look at that. Yeah, so the next local resistance. The more macro 618 from earlier. Look at this. Could just bust right through, right? Wouldn't expect to see that. Could happen though. Could be a big week. Man, that's annoying, huh? Where's my XO? Gotta love a gray screen. Watch that end up being my thumbnail too. It's just me on a gray screen. Yeah, now you're getting some absorption. Sellers are coming in at some point. Oops. Yeah, here come the sellers. Look at that. Get down in the cellar. Price. Ooh. Could just keep squozing up. Just get squozed. Interesting. Well, that's all I got. I mean, if that is to just bust. Still got this daily up here. Fresh. That'll be the next zone. Got this channel up here. This was a front run of that, so could always grab that. There's absolute liquidity sitting up there, so could always look for something like that too, where it's just, you know, and then back down. I love the sounds that Bitcoin makes when it moves like that. So weird. I do a great impression. Yeah. We'll see what happens. We'll just wash and wait. Sit here in our bath. We will wash and wait. Just Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. That's about it for me, I think. I'm a winner. Straight up. We've done it. 3 for 3, 4 for 4, something like that. As long as you know, a not loss is a win in my book. If you break even, you didn't lose. That's the main. That's the goal. The number one goal in trading is don't lose. Winning would be the next goal, but not losing is perfectly fine. Okay, that's it from me.